What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Toni Show. In today's video, we are going to be deep cleaning out the fridge. I know this isn't something that is usually on like the daily or the weekly task, so it tends to be looked over, which means it has more time to build up dirt, grime, and germs. So today we're just going to be going through my refrigerator and cleaning it out, the drawers, and all the shelves, because we are going to be going grocery shopping in a couple of days. So I just want to make sure that everything is fresh before we put our new groceries in there. I'm not going to talk the entire video because it is very much self-explanatory, but I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, and that is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed this content. Let me know if you did in the comment section below. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do that and give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.